Make a great choice today with the 2020 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, universal garage door opener. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.